If you're looking for a simple and fast way to include pricing tables that clients can edit, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly set up editable pricing tables using some of the most popular tools available today. Stick with me until the end, and I'll give you access to an exclusive free trial of the software we'll be using so you can follow along yourself. First, you'll need to choose the right tool. While many options exist, the software we'll be using today is user-friendly, customizable, and perfect for creating tables your clients can easily edit. Now let's dive in. Start by logging into the software and selecting the page where you want to add your pricing table. Most platforms will have a simple drag and drop builder, making it easy to insert tables into any layout. If you're not sure where to start, simply choose a pre-made template for pricing tables. This will give you a clean professional layout without any hassle. Once your table is inserted, it's time to make it editable. Most of these platforms allow you to add fields that clients can interact with, like text boxes for pricing, buttons to select options, or even drop-down menus. You can configure these fields to be updated in real time, so any changes your clients make will be reflected immediately. Here's a pro tip. To give clients full control over their pricing tables, make sure to enable a save function. This lets them update the table with their changes and save it for future use. Many platforms have this built in, but you might need to adjust a few settings to make sure everything is smooth. Be sure to test it out yourself first to ensure it's working as expected. Now, if you want to take it a step further and integrate these editable tables into a broader client portal, our software makes that process seamless. You can create individual accounts for your clients, where they can not only edit their pricing tables, but also track their history and access other tools you've set up for them. The key takeaway here is that including pricing tables that clients can edit doesn't need to be complicated. By using the right software and understanding the basic steps, like selecting your layout, adding editable fields, and testing the functionality, you can offer your clients a seamless professional experience. Before you go, don't forget about the exclusive free trial available in the description below. It's a fantastic opportunity to follow along with this tutorial and start creating your own customizable pricing tables. To quickly recap, 1. Choose your software and select a template for your pricing table. 2. Add editable fields for pricing, options, or any other details you want clients to modify. 3. Enable the save function and test it out. 4. Optionally integrate it into a client portal for an even better user experience. Make sure to take advantage of that free trial, and as always, feel free to leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching.